Hello everyone, today I am going to show you how to make a big gulab jamun with a stuffed gulab jamun with gulkand. Okay, this is the gulab jamun powder. We have to put in a pan. Okay, then we have to add the milk.
You have to put milk. You have to put milk on the dough.
We have to mix the dough. We have to make a dough with the milk. Okay, we have to make nice soft dough with the milk. Now it's getting ready, my dough. See, now dough is almost ready. Then we have to cover. We have to leave it for the 10 minutes.
You have to take the dough. Okay. Now you have to take. This is super gulkand. Super gulkand. Then you have to take little bit patient like this. You have to stop side. Then we have to roll. Then shape. This is the shape.
We have to roll it nicely. We have to make a small bowls. Then we just going to fry. Okay, we have a oil already. We make the sugar syrup. We have to dip in the sugar syrup. This is already ready. We cook already before. Okay, now we have a oil medium heat. Okay, then see, now we just put already one. You can see now we have to put in slowly we have to put. Okay, we have to cook almost 5 to 6 minutes. Okay, this one, see, now is after 1 minute you just is floating like this. Okay, you can see on that. Okay, slowly you have to put oil on top. Now you can see. Now you can see, you can cook. See, now we make this is the final product.